Hey guys, Ben Maddox here at Johnson RV in beautiful Sandy, Oregon. We are winding down summer, but we've still got some great inventory for those of you who want to keep camping into the fall and into the winter time. We've got a new arrival today. This is a 2010 Winnebago Era 70X. By the way, if I'm not available, please ask for my teammate Rod, who's behind the camera. We have specialized in premium used class or motorhomes for 25 years now. Class B's has been about the last decade or so that we've really kind of shifted our attention to, because that's really the way people are starting to camp. Is they want to get small, get off grid, easy to park, easy to drive, get great fuel economy. So this is on your Mercedes Sprinter. It's got your V6, so your 3.0 single turbo V6. It's on the 1-ton chassis, so it's a 170 wheelbase, so it's very quiet, smooth, comfortable driving down the road. It does have a beautiful silver charcoal full body paint. They do put some decals on the outside, which oftentimes they'll peel, crack, fade. These are actually still in great shape. Nice fiberglass mold here. One of the things that Winnebago does really well, they build most of their materials in-house, about 80% of their materials in-house. The only things they don't build are appliances. So as we step inside, actually I'm gonna have Rod go ahead and step up onto that fiberglass step inside. So the thing about the 70X floor plan is it was designed to have 4 people sitting up front comfortably. Where Rod is standing, the 4th seat actually was removed by whoever had this, just to kind of open up the floor plan a little bit. So you do have 3 seats. I'm sure it could be reconfigured for a 4th if you wanted it, which up in the front where the seats swivel around, you can convert it into an extra couple little sleeping areas. So great thing about this floor plan, it does feel very open. You have this nice big galley area, tons of counter space, flush mount sink and cooktop cover, refrigerator with built-in freezer, midship bathroom, which is a great size wet bathroom. And I won't bother opening it, but just want to show you how big and open this rear area is. So you do have more comfortable seating if you need more passengers, if you're just taking kids to a soccer game or you're heading off for the weekend. And this does convert into a nice big, almost king-size bed. So great amenities. 2010 Winnebago Era 70X. I'm Ben here at Johnson RV. I've got Rod behind the camera. Please ask for him if I'm not available. We look forward to seeing you soon and help you go camping.